How are you all? I hope all are doing good. So, in today's video, I am going to teach you what is an email. What is an email? Email is the short form of electronic mail. Email is the way of sending messages to people by means of computer connected with through internet. So basically, email is the way of sending messages to people by internet. Like now, I'm sending my friend a email like, "Hi, how are you doing? So today I have a dinner party. So please, I'm giving an invitation to her. So I'm sending her message." But if you're sending message without internet, how it will reach to her? So you are sending messages with internet is known as email. Email is one of the easiest and fastest method. Means email is very easy and the fastest method of receiving or sending messages. Like it's very fast and easy. It's like easy, just type and send it. So it is easy and it is very fast also, like when you send message the another person will receive the message, so it's a fast, right? So that's why email is the one of the easiest and fastest method of receiving or sending messages. So guys, in today's video we have learned what is an email. Basically, an email is a way of sending messages to people with the help of internet, and it is one of the easiest and fastest method of sending and receiving messages. Email is short form of electronic mail. Means it's a short form, like it's a short form of electronic mail. Like see, full form of email is electronic mail. Now you understand? Okay. So, guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. Bye, guys.